Hello guys, today I am gonna show you how you can remove and clean mine filter in the HAIER washer dryer. So the mine filter is located on the front of your device under the doors, and it's located here. To open it you have to just turn this cover to the left side, but remember to prepare before the vessel or something, because there is a high risk of the water leakage, even if your appliance is completely new. After the service works, there is gonna be water, so prepare before the vessel, put under it and just turn the filter to the left side. After that you can just freely remove it and clean under the water. Basically that's it. After that, just remember to close your cover, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.